welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unpacking from a short vacation that we went on. We did a short drive up to the Smoky Mountains, got a hotel room. We spent an entire day at Dollywood in Pigeon Forge, and then the next day we did a dinner show, and the kids had so much fun. We had so much fun. If you've never been to the Smoky Mountains in the fall, you have to do it. It is so beautiful. And if you don't know, Dollywood is a theme park, so there are a ton of rides and roller coasters, but I just realized that I didn't get any footage of any of the rides that we went on, and I think it's just because everything else was so pretty. So we're starting off this video with me unpacking from our 3-day trip. This is actually just the next day, and I'm gonna be unpacking my small bag that I use for all 3 days. I love using pouches and packing cubes. You guys already know this. It just helps me stay organized, and you can actually pack more when you use these pouches and packing cubes. My bag and all of my pouches are from Stony Clover except for my packing cube, and I'm just showing you guys some of my pouches. I just love how pretty and girly and just fun these little pouches are. This one looks like it has heart-shaped bubble wrap in there, and that's what I use for my makeup. This one I use for my jewelry, and then I have a large heart pouch, and I put all of my toiletries in here, and my packing cube came in a set of like 8 or 9, and I got that from Amazon.
May the good turn bad. Need to wake up 'cause I'm far away, so I won't go mad.
Moving on to my packing cube, all of the clothes in here are actually clean, so I'm going to take that out and get those put away. We all had our own laundry bags, and those are already separated, ready to wash, so I'm going to get to that later on.
Mixed up with reality.
The kids love traveling with their Squishmallows or any kind of stuffed animal. This is one of the things that I wash as soon as we get back home, before I forget, because they've been all over the car, they've been stepped on, they've been all over the hotel room, on the floors. So before any trip, I make sure to get all the laundry done so we know what we have when we're trying to pack. These are just some of the kids' clothes that were hanging to dry before we left, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these put away. On to the kitchen. Brandon is actually at the grocery store right now loading up on groceries. We've been gone, so we definitely need to restock the pantry and the fridge. So I'm gonna prep the kitchen. I'm gonna get these dishes clean and put away, the countertops clear, and I need to clean out the fridge.
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else. Heard you're moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room, falling asleep.
So we actually have a fridge in our pantry, which you guys will see in a little bit, but I like to store a lot of our drinks and condiments in that fridge. So I'm taking some things out that I need to transfer over to that fridge, and I'm also going to be taking out some things that just need to be thrown away.
Picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. Girl, I know we said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill.
So I do try to wipe down my fridge often so it doesn't build up and get super nasty, but I do deep clean my fridge every now and then, and I'll take some of the parts out in the drawers, put those in the sink to wash really good, and I'll use some kind of Clorox or Lysol all-purpose spray in my fridge. But since I'm doing it section by section and just doing a quick wipe down, I'm going to use a easy vinegar and water mixture to spray down the shelves and the drawers.
I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it.
And like I said, I'm prepping my fridge to be restocked. Brandon's at the grocery store right now, and I like to keep those clear containers in my fridge even if they're empty. I just will clean them and put them back in my fridge just because that's where they live, and it's just easier to grab it right there out the fridge when I need to restock it.
Wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life.
So we're gonna get through this haul really quick. We have some Honest Juice pouches for the kids, some waffles, a bunch of sparkling water, Z-bars, a few different flavors of K-cups, individual chip bags for snack for school, trash bags, aluminum foil, rice, some noodles. I'm gonna be making chili soon, and I needed a few more things for my recipe, so I have tomatoes, beans. I have some bouillon, SpaghettiOs, some tea, some juice back here, a bunch of fresh produce. So I have mango, some plums, tomatoes, onions, garlic, peppers, mushrooms. I love to roast vegetables and just add them to pretty much any meal. Some cucumbers, oranges, cereal, Easy Mac, oatmeal, rice cakes, eggs, cookies, a bunch of frozen vegetables, some breakfast roll-ups I guess the kids are going to be trying out, a bunch of ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey. There's some bratwurst back there and some smoked sausage, but that's pretty much it for the haul. I know it was really quick. Now let's start putting this stuff away. So you guys already saw me restock the fridge and freezer in our pantry, and here's another little sneak peek of our pantry. If you're new to my channel, we're still waiting on our countertops and wine fridge to be delivered. Things have just been taking so long these days. I originally wanted to wait until everything was finished to give you guys a little tour, but since it is taking a long time, I'm gonna give you guys an unfinished pantry tour probably in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Right now I'm just going to restock the kids' snack drawer, and that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers.